Okay, let's go. We got weather reporting to do. Come on. Come on, let's go. Okay, Bridgewater, Connecticut. It's about noontime, and the snow just keeps coming. I'm thinking we got at least 14 inches. I know we'll have to measure. I don't know how much snow is accumulated on Gilly's back. Well, you can see they're insulated, so the snow just piles up on them. If Jim Cantori was out here reporting, there's Lucy. She's a little sugar cookie. If Jim Cantori was out here, they would have found him in an icy tomb by now. But the honey wolves, because they're insulated and designed for this kind of activity, it's not a problem. Okay, let's go take a look. Let's file our report. Gilly's having fun. Come on, Gilly, let's go. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on, we got to get up in the woods. We got to file our weather report. We got to do some surveys. What's the matter? What are you doing? Come on, we got to get up in the woods. All right, Gilly, what are you measuring the snow at? It's just about up to your chest. Yeah, let's keep going. We got to get up in the woods. There's Lucy. Oh, there's Lucy. Okay. All right, these are pretty brutal conditions here. I don't know how much longer the human's going to be able to take. We may take a break. I'm freezing. Oh look, there's Jim Cantori's frozen body in ice.